Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by finding the exact MIDI file you want. This saves time and prevents importing wrong versions. Open Garageband and create a new software instrument project because MIDI needs an instrument track to map notes. Once the project is ready, make sure the library and tracks panes are visible so you can drop files directly. If you have multiple MIDI channels, prepare to separate them into different tracks. This helps control individual instruments and avoid routing conflicts later. Now drag the MIDI file into the tracks area or choose File Import Midi to bring it in. Garageband will display regions. When the file contains multiple channels, split them into separate tracks so you can assign sounds per part. Next, select each track and pick a software instrument preset or route it to an external MIDI device. This mapping controls timbre and ensures MIDI CC and program change messages go to the right destination, keeping arrangement flexibility and mix clarity. Finish by editing performance nuances in the piano roll, quantize timing, tweak velocities, and remove stray notes to taste. Once the arrangement sounds right, export the mix with Share Export Song to disk or bounce individual tracks for extra control. If something goes wrong, like missing notes or silent tracks, first verify each region's MIDI channel and assigned instrument. Many issues stem from incorrect channel mapping or a muted software instrument. Make sure plugins are active and software instruments are loaded before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.